People who moan about the hot weather, like, I mean, lately, I mean, it's September now, it's kind of getting a lot colder now, it's kind of the nights are drawing in and all that bollocks. But when people used to kind of moan at how, like, and the opposite way as well, when people moan how cold it is, like, it's like there's always some fucking idiot. I mean, on the bus especially. I mean, I always go on about the bus in my rants, but the bus is like a great place for people to kind of... You hear a lot of kind of opinions on the bus and stuff. If you're that sad and kind of... I mean, I haven't got an iPod, so I can't listen to any music or anything. So I kind of like listening to conversations on the bus. If that sounds weird, you know, whatever. But I kind of like listening to conversations on the bus because it kind of gives me ideas on like how it makes people... That sounds weird, but I want to be a filmmaker, so it kind of... You know, I need to learn things like that, how people think and how an audience think. And I think a great audience is like someone on the bus. You know, people on the bus, because there's a lot of kind of... You get a lot of different kind of characters on the bus, and kind of, you know, it's old people and like young people and, you know, people at the back, people at the front. And it's kind of always been interesting. It always interests me, like, something simple like, when you get on the bus, what seat you choose, why do you choose that seat, what does it mean, and kind of things like that. And I kind of read a lot into it. You know, you call me weird, do what you like, but I'm the one who kind of thinks, you know, it's kind of what the job I want to do, and it needs to be like that, and it just kind of works. But people, anyway, whatever, but hot weather, people who moan about hot and cold weather, like if it's too hot, it's like, oh, it's bloody hot today, and I mean, it's like, well, of course it's fucking hot, the sun's out, what do you expect? You know, it's good, we're in England, it's a bit of a shit country for the climate and stuff, but, you know, be grateful it's fucking hot, you know, don't be so bloody uptight about it, and